In your kit, you'll get about a 1/4 cup of Crisco. You'll also get a 1/2 cup of wild birdseed, a paper plate, and some string. To start with, poke a hole in the middle of your paper plate. Then you're going to tie a knot in the end of your string and thread it through so the knot is on the bottom of your plate. This is so you can hang your bird feeder without the plate falling off the string. Now you're going to transfer your Crisco or your peanut butter to a microwave-safe dish. Put your Crisco or peanut butter in the microwave and microwave for 10 seconds at a time until it's melted. This part's messy, but also fun. First, you're going to add your wild birdseed to your melted Crisco, and you're going to mix it up real good with your hands till all the seed is coated. After you mix the seed and the Crisco, you're going to want to let it sit for a couple minutes to solidify so it doesn't fall all over the place. Then you're going to pile it on your plate around the string. The string needs to be in the middle so it can hold the bird feeder up. You just shape it into a kind of lump. And that's it. Now you can bring it outside to feed the birds. You're going to want to hang it somewhere where you can see it from inside. That way you can keep track of all the birds who visit it. If your bird feeder doesn't hang well, you can just tuck it into the tree flat. Thanks for watching.